Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am going to deliver the third day's lecture of our assignment number 8, and that is about English language. We are going to start the chapter Healthy Living. So please open your books on page number 46 and 47 because we are going to discuss these pages, right? So the objectives of this lesson is to that the students will be able to learn about the balanced diet, and the success criteria is that they'll remember to eat and maintain a healthy lifestyle. This topic is about the balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? That balance a diet that contain the proper portion of different classes of food necessary to maintain a good health. So which are the classes of food? You will come to know when you will open your books on page number 47, that here you are given with the balanced food and diet and balanced diet. Do you here on page number 47 you can see that you have given with the do you have a balanced diet? Here are headings of carbohydrates, fats, protein and other nutrients. These all are the classes of food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats and other nutrients. These are your classes of food. So for a healthy and balanced diet we should take all these classes of food in a proper portion, right? Balanced diet is basically a good nutrition mean. It's basically having a good and proper diet. We should avoid junk food and we should eat healthy food, right? And we should add all the classes of food in our daily routine. Okay students, open your books on page number 47. First of all, give the reading to this whole page. That here you can see, do you have a balanced diet? You are given with the carbohydrates. Read the description under carbohydrates. Read the description under protein, fats and other nutrients. You have to read all these headings, right? You have to read all the description given over there, and then you have to answer few questions which I have mentioned in the next slide. Okay, when you read the page number 47, you will come to know about the balanced diet. Now, what is balanced diet and what are the proper classes of food and how should we take them? How much portion of each food should be there in our daily diet, right? After reading this, you have to answer the few questions. Then ask your mother about the food you eat, right? You have to discuss the food with your mother. Is it a balanced diet? Do you take a balanced diet? If each and everything is in a proper portion, or you should, or either you are taking one thing in a very high portion and the other thing in a very low portion, right? Why is it important to eat a balanced diet? You have to find out that why it is necessary that you should eat a balanced diet. Why we should eat a balanced diet? To keep ourselves healthy, fit and maintain, right? So that our body should get each and every nutrient, right? We shouldn't feel any kind of deficiency in our body. To avoid the deficiencies in our body, we eat a balanced diet. Do you also eat junk food for some time? Junk food, what is the junk food? The cold drinks, the pizzas and the burgers and the rest of the thing which you buy from the market and then you eat, these all are the junk food. So you have to tell that either you are eating the junk food or not, right? And after this, you have to complete the survey in exercise 1 on page number 46, right? Here you are given that complete the survey about your diet. Choose how much of each type of food you eat in a day. Here it is a survey and you have to tick mark the option which is true for you, right? Let's say how much of these do you eat? Bread, rice or pasta? How much quantity of these things you eat? Either you eat none, you don't eat at all, a little, a some or a lot. So if you eat some, then you may take some. If you eat a lot, then you may take a lot. It's up to you, right? And then you have to complete the survey by giving your own opinion and your own daily routine, right? Okay, then take a look of your kitchen and identify the two things each under the following heading, right? You have to look around the kitchen and you have to look for these things. List any two names for proteins. Which thing carry protein? Meat and eggs. So you should write meat and egg under the heading of protein. Similarly, look for the carbohydrates. Which are the things which are sufficient in carbohydrate? Write two things under the heading of carbohydrates. Then fruits and vegetable, it's very easy. You may write two fruit, two vegetables. Junk food, you know what is junk food? You all know very much, very well, because you all love junk food. So here you have to write any two junk food. Is that clear? Okay, at the end, what you have to do, that you have to complete the exercise 3 on page number 70, on the page number 47, which is match the definition to the word in the bold in the article. You have to read the statement, and then you have to find out from above, under the heading of carbohydrate, fat, protein, and other nutrients, that which heading is for which statement is for which heading, and then you have to write all these words in front of the statement. You may also look for the bold words in the paragraph. The words which are in bold, you can also look for them, and then you have to write them in front of these statements, right? I hope it's very easy. It would be very easy for you to complete the task, but if you find any difficulty, I am here for you. You can ask me anytime, right?